All right. I suggested you could keep your photos in Google Keep. And some of you may not know what that is. There are a lot of videos on YouTube, tutorials on it. It does a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm not going to worry about a lot of that. I'm going to show you how to do it with images. If you want to know more about Google Keep, go look it up on YouTube. I know y'all know how to use YouTube. So you could go to keep.google.com, or you can open up a new tab. It is in your Google Apps. Mine is up at the top because remember, these can be rearranged. I use it, I pulled it up to the top. So yours is probably a little bit lower, but it is essentially like a really fancy digital filing cabinet that's way more organized in your Google Drive. So it's as simple as like really fancy sticky notes, really, kind of. So I want to take a note, but I'm taking a note for image. So I'm going to come over here, new note with image, and I'm going to find my photo and upload it. All right, so I've uploaded some of my photos that I wanted to use or potentially may want to use. All right, so you, believe it or not, can use hashtags to find it. Got it, close. Oops. So one of the things I did is I named it favorite images. So I did that by coming to the three dots, and it said create label instead of change label. And what that does is in all of my Google Keep notes, I can come here and I have those images. Now, if you look over here, I have some that I did use. So I could come over here and I could say add label, and I could say favorite images. I did that earlier and it's not in that same folder, but when I come here, it's now with that. Okay. So you can tag these folders to be together. Now, using them is pretty simple. So I am going to open up the folder. All right, so I went ahead and did split screen so that I have two folders open, and that's as simple as just pulling that Google Keep folder out. And look, I take my image, drag, drop. Okay, so I can do that. I can do it from this level, and there I go. Now, obviously, I haven't cropped this one, but I can keep my images here as I'm doing it and there. So that's just one small thing that Google Keep does. You are welcome to go look it up and to find out more things that it can do for you. Have fun.